Hey guys, it's Emily here down at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change, rig ready Ram, and now we buy your Ram. Today we're going to take a look at this 2018 Ram 1500 Sport. This one is one of our newest trade-ins, so let's go take a look. Up at the front of this one, you're going to have your color matched black bumpers. You also have your black grille inserts on this one, and then your Ram badging all across the front. You're going to have your halogen headlights and your halogen fog lights on this one, and then you're going to have the Sport hood. Coming underneath, you're going to have your 5.7 liter Hemi. This one is going to have your 8-speed automatic transmission. It also does have your 20-inch chrome rims. You have color matched mirrors on this one. They are power folding, heated, and auto dimming. You're also going to have color matched door handles, and they do have your proximity entry on them. You're going to have your chrome badging all along the side. And then this one does have your 5.7 bed. Coming into the back, you're going to have your color matched bumpers. This one does have the dual exhausts. You're set up for towing with your 4 and 7 pin wiring and your hitch receiver, chrome badging again on the back, and then you have your backup camera right here. This one does come with your spray and bed liner straight from factory, and you're also going to have your 2 LEDs in the back, but now we're going to check out the front. Up at the front of this one, you're going to have your black leather seats, and they do have your cloth inserts in them. Tons of storage in this truck. You have a huge center console, and then on top of your center console, you have some more storage space, and then you're going to have 2 USBs and an aux. You have a phone holder right here, and it does have a 12-volt plug-in beneath it with some additional storage areas, and then you're going to have your 2 cup holders as well. Lots of storage up in your 2 glove compartments. And then this one has your 8.4-inch touchscreen. You can control your phone, hook it up, you have Bluetooth. And then you also can control all of your climate as well. Coming down a little bit lower, you have the option to turn off your screen. That's really handy at night, so it's not shining in your face. And then you can control your climate here as well if you're not wanting to use your touchscreen. So it has a 115-volt plug-in right here, and then you can turn on and off your traction control and also turn on your tow haul mode. All of your 4-wheel drive buttons are just down here. On the steering wheel itself, you're going to have all of your hands-free buttons on the left-hand side, and then your cruise controls are on the right-hand side. And then you do have some buttons on the back of your steering wheel, and that's just for changing your radio station, changing the song, turning up and down the music. This one does have your flip-in mirrors, so you're going to push a button, and they are going to flip in and out for you. Coming up a little bit higher, this one does have your universal garage door opener. So what that means is that you can hook up these buttons to open 3 different garage doors, and that way you're not going to have to carry around a whole bunch of garage door remotes. It kind of saves you some clutter up here. But now we're going to check out the back. In the back of this one, you have the cloth inserts in your seats again. Then you are going to have a cup holder that folds out flat. It's got 2 cup holders in it. You're also going to have 2 more cup holders down here. You have your 12-volt plug-in, and then your passengers do have the option to control their own airflow. You're also going to have tons of storage in the back of your seat pockets here, as well as a couple compartments on the door. You do have power windows in this one. You're going to have carpet floor mats, and then underneath the floor mats, you do have these storage bins. You have a power sliding rear window on this one, as well as your 2 hooks. And then the seats in this one do fold up all the way. You're going to have lots of storage under these compartments, and then they do flip out flat. They have 2 plastic legs that fold out, which makes them really stable, great for putting groceries or any sort of hockey bags, lacrosse bags, anything like that. If you want to make this one yours, you can click the link below for pictures and pricing, or you can give us a call, 780-942-3629.